Greetings to you, people of God. How are you doing on this beautiful and faithful day? Guess what? The new month is here. It's not coming, it's here. So let me be the first to say happy and blessed new month to you. Happy new quarter. Happy divine month. Happy divine season, because this is your month of latter rain. Remember, God said it's not waiting, it's here. It's here. Your rivers are about to flow in the desert. Because remember, you have been planted by the tree that will bring forth fruit every season from here on out. God is saying, people of God, it's time to get in the room. This room is going to help you produce that fruit which you have been long overdue. This room is going to produce some fruit that you have long passed due. People of God, get in the room. There's no more delay, no start and stop. Get in the room. The door is closing. And after tonight, I won't be taking any more until the next cohort. So people of God, get in the room. Get in the room. What scares you is what is awaiting you. And that's your biggest breakthrough on the next side. So people of God, get in the room. Get in the room, because your Father, He wants to do something superb. He took me into the fourth book of the New Testament, and that's John. First day and the fourth book. God is saying, I am the Word. In the beginning was the Word, and I am the Word, and everything about Him consists of the Word. So people of God, God is saying today, it's His Word that birthed you. It's your word that brings everything into existence. And I'm saying to you today, get in the room. Get in the room, because that's a part of His word, commissioning you to come out of hiding, because you're required for this season. Bless you, people of God. Happy new month. Happy divine month. And may God richly bless you in everything you do. Go to voicesconsultingservices.com and register. Get in the room, and I'll see you tonight.